Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the lock screen password on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to change the lock screen password on your iPhone, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now from here, just enter your current passcode. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Change Passcode. Now from here, just enter your current passcode. Now once you have done that, just enter your new passcode. Now from here, tap on Use Anyway. Now from here, just enter your passcode one more time to verify your passcode. Now just wait a few seconds for your iPhone to set the new passcode. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, let's check if we have changed the passcode or not. And this is how you can change the lock screen password on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.